Tesla AI team burns the Christmas midnight oil. Tesla is burning the midnight oil this Christmas, with the Tesla AI team quietly rolling out full self-driving, supervised v14.2.2.1, just a day after FSD v14.2.2 started rolling out to customers. Tesla owner shares insights on FSD v14.2.2.1. Longtime Tesla owner and FSD tester BLKMDL3 shared some insights following several drives. With FSD v14.2.2.1 in rainy Los Angeles conditions with standing water and faded lane lines, he reported zero steering hesitation or stutter, confident lane changes, and maneuvers executed with precision that evoked the performance of Tesla's driverless robotaxis in Austin. Parking performance impressed, with most spots nailed perfectly, including tight sharp turns in single attempts without shaky steering. One minor offset happened only due to another vehicle that was parked over the line, which FSD accommodated by a few extra inches. In rain that typically erases road markings, FSD visualized lanes and turn lines better than humans, positioning itself flawlessly when entering new streets as well. Took it up a dark, wet, and twisty canyon road, up and down the hill tonight, and it went very well as to be expected. Stayed centered in the lane, kept speed well, and gives a confidence-inspiring steering feel, where it handles these curvy roads better than the majority of human drivers. The Tesla owner wrote in a post on X, just like that, another FSD update. 5 drives in with FSD v14.2.2.1, and here are my thoughts. Still seeing zero steering hesitation or stutter, confident and great lane changes. Good news, TSLA FSD v14.2.2.1, rolling out. Now this maintenance release is to polish what have been available in 14.2.2. The update pace has been lightning fast since the start of V14 Series 5 14.1 2025.32.8.5 October 6, 2025. Tesla's FSD v14.2.2 update. Just a day before FSD v14.2.2.1's release, Tesla rolled out FSD v14.2.2, which was focused on smoother real-world performance, better obstacle awareness, and precise end-of-trip routing. According to the update's release notes, FSD v14.2.2 upgrades the vision encoder neural network with higher resolution features, enhancing detection of emergency vehicles, road obstacles, and human gestures. New arrival options also allowed users to select preferred drop-off styles, such as parking lot, street, driveway, parking garage, or curbside, with the navigation pin automatically adjusting to the ideal spot. Other refinements include pulling over for emergency vehicles, real-time vision-based detours for blocked roads, improved gate and debris handling, and speed profiles for customized driving styles. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.